Hello, welcome to another video of this English course. Today we will practice English with an easy and short conversation. Let's begin. Repeat and practice the next conversation. Pay attention and listen carefully.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Hey, Lily. I'm doing pretty well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. You are the new neighbor, right?
Good to know. And well, yes, I am. Nice to meet you.
What's your last name, by the way?
It is Thompson.
Thompson. Could you spell that for me?
Sure. It's Thompson.
Thanks. So, where are you from?
I am from Mexico. And what about you?
I'm from here, from Colombia.
That's nice. I love Colombia.
Nice. What do you do for a living?
I'm an architect. I love designing houses. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home.
That sounds great. How old are you, Lily?
I'm 26. And you?
I'm 28.
It's nice to meet you, Sam.
Same here, Lily. Let's keep in touch.
Sure. See you later.
Bye, Lily.
New vocabulary or expressions. By the way. By the way. By the way. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Same here. Same here. Same here. Sure. 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 Remember to repeat out loud each phrase and new word you learned in this lesson. Bye.